Okay, this is stock number 1-109K. This is a November of 2013, so it's a 2014 Toyota Rav-4 LE all-wheel drive, 2.5 liter, California emissions. It's a front hit, no apparent engine damage. Somebody did go a little nuts with a pair of dikes and cut some of these sensors. The oil pressure switch I can see is missing a harness. Cycling switch on the AC on the high side, and looks like somebody cut the harness for the I think that's the cam position sensor. This one on top of the valve cover right there. I mean, it fired right up. It runs okay. Obviously it's got check engine lights, but it's all related to that stuff. It's nothing to do with the actual motor itself. No fluid leaks or anything. It didn't hit that hard. I don't really know how, but yeah, nothing peeing out of it, so we're good. Had it running for a few minutes now. And this thing has 66,514 miles. So I like that. Just to show you that I can't drive it, obviously, just because of what, you know, what it's like, but just to show you, it does go forward and backwards here just good. You know, no slamming into gear, no slipping or anything else like that. I did kind of drive it, you know, just like around, not the block, but just to turn it around. It was driven in originally. And reverse works fine, drive works fine. Didn't shift any gears, just like I said, because of the damage, I can't really drive it on the street. And I don't really want to get too high in the RPMs if the computer is not taking into account where the cam actually is. Probably not a good idea to tack it. So, but and so I just idled around in it. But yeah, radio, everything else works. All the radio works, heated controls work, all that stuff. Yeah, it does have an all-wheel drive light. So I'm not sure exactly what that is. Nothing's showing up on my scanner for a code. So that might just be because of maybe one of the other sensors not picking up or backfeeding or something. I'm not too sure. But it wasn't a hard enough hit to break any mounts or anything, so I don't think it's any mechanical issue underneath. So it should be good.